We got a windshield washer motor problem here, and if you think you're gonna get it from in here, it ain't gonna work. Move the tire. We got 3 push pins right here and 4 bolts right here. Alright. Also, we got 3 more bolts. No more push pins, just bolts. 10mm there, there, and that bad boy right there, I'm pretty sure. And this is all part of the inner fender. Alright, so bolts, 3 push pins. Oh, got my son out here. Say hi, Aiden. So remove a push pin. You just get your screwdriver underneath it. Pry up a little bit. Go ahead and wiggle it out, and it comes. Well, it comes out like that's how it's supposed to come out, like that. All right, there you have it. Half of the wheel well is off, and it really wasn't hard to take off, folks. Just start peeling around here. It likes to get hung up on this bolt right here, but just pull down, and just right here. You want to start by taking this clip off right here. Also, make sure when you buy this pump, it looks like this. I don't know if it's going to come with this white piece or not, but make sure it has got 2 outlets right there. See that? 2 of them.